Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can see who is behind the track on a SoundCloud. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the SoundCloud app on your device. Now, tap on the search icon. After that, search for the song whose information you want to know. Then, tap on the three dot icon beside the song. After that, select behind this track option. And that's it. Here, you will find all the information related to the track on SoundCloud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.